Every shipment is meticulously checked to ensure ethical sourcing and perfect fermentation.
Temperature holding steady at 39.
Good. I'm pulling the sample now.
Here we see the air classification in action. The shells are aspirated upwards into the cyclone, while the heavy
The fresh cream is rapidly heated to exactly 72 degrees Celsius, held for 15 seconds.
The cream is held at a precise 4 degrees Celsius. We take samples to verify the pH.
adjust the shear rate slightly here. Calibrating the foam V curve now, the temper index is almost perfect.
The spectrophotometer meticulously scans the surface, measuring Elabang values and 60-degree gloss units against our luxury standards.
The probe confirms a uniform 2 mm shell. The results are logged, assuring the integrity of every truffle.
The adhesive temperature is holding steady at 160.
Vision check confirms the seals are perfect. We are good to go.
The alignment is off by 2 millimeters.
Yes, the machine coated correctly.
All right, bring it up to level 4.
Watch the clearance on your right.
Order 789. Go to aisle 4, level 3. Pick 5 cases. Confirm accurate fulfillment.
This high-sensitivity system detects contaminants down to 1 millimeter, ensuring the safety of our premium dark chocolate truffles.
The adjustments worked perfectly. Look at the yield percentage.
Excellent. The batch is complete and fully traceable.
After the distillation completes, the extracted fat is weighed. This sample confirms that we've hit the 55 to 60% fat specification.
The sharp peak right here at 33.5 degrees confirms the ideal Form V crystallization.
Foil sample measured. Color scan matches standard. Barrier test passes. Material released to line. 8-second packaging validation.
Remember, artisanal care is key. Use the tweezers precisely, minimize contact, and always follow the hygiene protocols on the screen. The tempering and cooling zones are stabilizing. We've reduced consumption by 20%, putting us on track for the annual savings target. Conductivity is stable. Check the pH on that sample.
Running it now. Looks perfect for the cooling towers.
These cocoa shells are compressed into mulch bales for our agricultural partners, emphasizing our zero-waste philosophy and enhancing brand sustainability. The growth metrics here are outstanding, particularly the reforestation impact.
Agreed. The data supports strengthening the partnership for the next cycle.
The extended conching time really smoothed out the texture.
And the flavor complexity is exactly what we wanted for the new truffle variation.
The tempering gives it that flawless gloss and smooth texture. It's exquisite.
Exceeding all targets, particularly in sustainability, a truly collaborative success.
Well done, everyone. These truffles are incredible.
And they're off.
To the world.
Excellent snap. The ganache is smooth and the aroma is rich. This batch passes.
Our strict allergen verification process ensures that every surface is meticulously checked. Protect.
The flow pack machine rapidly seals each cooled truffle in gold foil, utilizing a precise nitrogen flush.
Look at that crisp edge. The 120 degrees is holding steady. Impeccable. The client will be very happy with this.
As the box rotates, the high-precision rollers ensure a seamless, bubble-free application.
Okay, bring it up slowly to level 6, bay 12.
Confirmed, level 6.
The trends remain perfectly flat at 18 degrees.
Confirmed. Optimal storage conditions maintained.
All right, the seals are secure. Make sure the reefer stays exactly at 55.
Got it. Paperwork all checked out.
Connection secured on my end. All tight here too. We are good to go.
Please sign to confirm receipt of the luxury shipment and temperature logs.
Confirmed. Everything is in order.
Thank you. Drive safely.
There she goes, world-class truffles.
Woo! Absolutely perfect. Drive safe now.
Route optimization holding steady.
Confirmed. All shipments green across the board.
Temperature check confirmed. Logs look good.
All right, just need your signature for acceptance.
Oh wow, look at this selection. Yeah. Absolutely stunning presentation.
The molded fiber trays are formed under heat and pressure. A water-based barrier is applied, ensuring the product is certified home compostable.
The flow wrap utilizes a groundbreaking cellulose-based metallic foil, offering a sustainable, shimmering finish for our luxury truffles.
We extract the samples periodically to monitor the degradation. This one is breaking down exactly as expected.
The moisture barrier on this seaweed film is incredible.
And the mushroom inserts are surprisingly light and durable. It really shows.
Indulgence meets responsibility. This is the full cycle of sustainable luxury, from our factory to the forest.